Alright, so like I said in another video, and today I was gonna install and maintenance the 4 GLI I bought secondhand. So alright, I'm gonna start opening this. So you just get the Allen key that you get from the box. Just open it, but make sure you have like your hands on it, so like the spring doesn't pop out when you like unscrew it all. Alright, there goes one screw. There you go. Alright, so once you have it opened like this, just remove your spring, set it to the side. Yeah, this O-ring is kind of like beat up. And then you get out your cylinder, poke it from the bottom until it pops out. Alright, now you got your stuff. So I'll use this and just put it right here. So what you want to do next is just you want to get your towel or anything you just want to use to clean. Make sure to clean the inside. Cause look, it's like grease and dirt accumulated in it over the time it hasn't been used. So I'm gonna get all of it. Overall, I just want to try to make it as clean as you can. It's pretty much as clean as I can get it to be. And then you get this one. For this one, you want to pop out the O-ring. Pretty sure I don't have any tools to pop out the O-ring though, so I'm gonna get my tool right now. Pretty much I couldn't find the little pick thingy to get away the O-ring, so I'm just using this small flathead. Just help me out with removing the old rings. I got this one. I got the old one, and I'll just time it clean. Pretty much just wiped it out. I'll get a new one for the piston. Yeah, it has a lot of dirt accumulated with the old grease. Pretty much after you just wiped it clean, you just want to remove the old O-rings. Bottom. Now you just wanna wipe out what the little residue it has in it. And now you wanna get your new O-rings from the package. From a little maintenance kit I bought off forge.com. I'll leave it in the description if you guys wanna know what it is, where to find it. Dang, you can't get it out with these gloves. Alright. I'm pretty sure these thick ones go right here. There you go. Got them in. And this skinny one goes around this one. Got them in. So then you get this. It includes in the kit, it's like the grease. That's the red one that I just cleaned up. Open it. Pretty much just get a bunch. I don't want to say a bunch, but just get kind of a lot in your finger. Just pretty much just start rubbing it on new O-rings. Holy shit, what a mess. Thank God I'm wearing fucking gloves. So pretty much, once that's done, I just let it right here. And then, I'm pretty sure for this one I'm not supposed to put any, but I'm just gonna put, like, just rub it off with the, like, the excess I have. Because what I saw from the instructions, they didn't say to put grease on it, but I'm gonna just put very little. Because when I took it off, it did have some grease on it, so. There you go. So then, pretty much just get your spring. Get your spring. And then, first you put in your piston. Just let it drop. There you go. Should just drop. Your spring, just put right here. You get your new bolts. Just came on. Now I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna take off my gloves. Alright, so after you got everything in, right, new screws, everything lubed up. So I heard that in order to check if it works or not, you just want to push the piston from the bottom. Just like push it. Fuck, it's kind of hard. Oh damn, that's like hella hard because of the spring. And then I want to try pushing it and then getting it. Well, I don't think I did it right because I didn't put enough, like, I guess, push on it. So I just want to let it go. Oh no, yeah, I didn't do it right. So you just want to try to push the piston. There you go. And then put your finger over it. And then once you let go of the finger, you should hear like a pop. There you go, it works. Alright, so now time to install it. So, yep. I'll probably transition it to me installing it. I mean, removing the other one. So basically, I just got done with taking the old one off. So basically, all you just want to do is let me just get off the tripod. Basically, all you just want to do is remove this hose, the top one. I ended up reusing the same like clamps because they're pretty good and they're pretty tight right now. I ended up getting a new one for this one though. So basically, you just want to do is just get a flathead, put it in between this, and just pry it open, and it's gonna like get loose enough for you to just pull it off. Once you pull this one off, do the same for this one, and then like the most difficult one is the one right here in the bottom. Let me try to get lighting. Once you do the same process for the bottom one, you just pry it open and it should just come out pretty easily. And then you just like reverse your own steps and like just install it. All I did, installed it first on the bottom since it's the hardest, and then the side, and then finally the top. And then that's pretty much how to install it. So I'm gonna just do a little sound test so you guys can hear it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see more videos in the future, make sure to hit the bell and subscribe, because later on this month I'll be ordering the downpipe, and I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna get it by the start of next month. So if you guys want to see that install, so I can finally get this car, I guess you could say stage 2, and then finally will be like the tune, of course. But yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe. All right, thank you.